An engineer at heart and a true leader, his motive is to provide the young learners a modern, safe and an active educational experience that would make them stand out and confident to face the real-world challenges. The Great Mentors proudly invites Mr. Siddharth Rajgarhia, Chief Learner and Director for DPS Varanasi, Nashik and Nagpur. With over 10 years of experience in leading the top schools, he believes that the primary purpose of a formal schooling is to develop young minds and inspire them to be lifelong learners. Mr. Rajgarhia holds an engineering degree from the RV College, Bangalore and later secured Masters in Business and Management from the University of Strathclyde, Glasgow. He holds the degree in School Leadership and Management from the prestigious Harvard Graduate School of Education and Harvard Business School. Mr. Rajgarhia has been a leading K-12 educationist, bagging multiple awards and laurels for DPS schools. He firmly believes in introducing 21st century learning skills to the learners rather than mere rote learning. He believes that inculcating these skills and experiencing hands-on applications would nurture and help the child grow to face the practical world. Apart from being a compassionate leader, Mr. Rajgarhia is also a mindfulness advocate. Mental health and well-being go hand in hand with the regular schooling, says Mr. Rajgarhia. He believes that being mindful and inculcating mindfulness activities not just for the students but for anyone would have long-term positive effects that would ultimately boost the quality of life. As such, he continues to hold multiple sessions and seminars for the young kids, parents and even teachers on mindfulness and leading a better lifestyle. In addition, Mr. Rajgarhia has also introduced several progressive educational initiatives across all the three schools.